Yeah, hello, my name is Jason. I'm going to show you how to do a simple animation of a couple of cogs in Scribbleo. First of all, got our canvas here. We're going to add some artwork, which will be the cogs. So we're going to add this cog here. That drops into the center of the canvas. You can move that around. And you'll see down the bottom we've got a timeline with the cog in it. And then you've got the properties so that when you click on that cog, you've got the animation properties here. So we're going to do a simple, we're just going to draw that in. So we're going to create a keyframe there and another keyframe there. That will draw in the first cog. There we go. And then basically what I want to do then is when the cog is drawn in, I want to be able to rotate that. So that's the drawing in, so roughly there. We've got click on the rotation, add a keyframe, and I then want it to carry on rotating, let's say 300 degrees. So I've done that, so you'll see it's created a keyframe there. So if I now preview that, that'll draw in and then start rotating. Then what I can do is just quickly duplicate that. So I've created another cog. So you'll see that's appeared there on the timeline as well. I can then move that along because I don't want that to be at the same point. And I want to, oh, that's because there we go. And I want to scale that down because I want that to be a smaller cog. There we go. And the thing is, they're both spinning the same way, so that doesn't make much sense. So what you can do is go back to properties, and that's obviously going to spin the same direction. We want it to go the other way, and we don't want it to spin as fast, so we'll just make that to minus 200. So that will spin in a different direction. Hit preview. There you go. And that's basically creating a simple cog animation.